Let's go. My hands. My hands. My hands. Wait, hold on. That's really last time. I put my dual pistols on. And just be godly all the time. Okay. Ah! Bro, I dropped my guns. No! Oh, have balloons. My guns. Spread your arms. Spread your arms to the lid. Okay.
No, what's your name?
Yes. Bro. I'm Spider-Man and Iron Man because I can clone from last time. Oh, okay. Oh! I got the jumps, bro. Whoa, I got the hops.
Follow me. Follow me.
I can make it. Nope, not gonna make it. I'm going to that thing. That thing. Perfect. Man, bro, what is that? My guns. Who's here? Who's there? Who's there? Why is this music like so sad? Who's there? Who's there? Okay. What the heck? You beamer. Beamer on what? No, one kind of anyway. Come here, boy. Oh, look, it's like weird because oh shoot. It's weird because when I shoot, my finger doesn't go down. I gotta grab. I got the hops. I got the hops. That's why I go to IHOP because I got the hops. Oh shoot. I know how to climb. Godly. No. Wait, I want to see if we can do fast. The big boy hands, bro. Oh, no. Sorry, bro. This is just blue. Yeah, see, this is blue. Those. That. King Shield by... Oh, it's King Shield. But it's by the brothers. But now I got... Oh my god! Is that Haley from Fortnite? Oh my god. Love your heart. Like, is that really good? Is that oh, this is cool. Come here, boy. Ooh, Katana. Slicing with my katana.
Don't kill me. Me too. Can you
I'm
don't kill
innocent.
me? Me too.
Oh,
King.
sad. Not a big. Oh, yeah. So I guess when like playing down. That's cool. Or not, really. Oh my gosh. No, there's another. Yeah. Show me that. Oh, I can have two hands on my guitar. Oh my god. I don't think that's okay. I don't think that's slicing the I hit you. Oh, check my guitar music. Oh, I should kill that guy. Oh, it just does that. Nick Robin. Hey. What do you think? I literally killed me. Shut down. Bop. Bop, 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 boom. Straight out and got him. Bop, 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 bop. Oh, no. Maybe I did one. I'm not worried about bullets. Die. Whoa. Die. Yeah, I'm gonna die soon. It's the same dude I just fought. Whoa. Did you just burp? He's burp. He's doing good. He's not good. Oh, no. You're gonna die. 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 Come on, come on. I don't have aim assist on. Oh, come on. Did I just killed him with my katana. God, I'm telling you, this katana is broken. Hacking money. Kill my katana.
Go, kill people.
Oh, wow.
You step out with that safe zone, I kill you.
High five?
Oh, high five.
High five.
High five.
Yeah. High five. Yeah.
You're up. Okay, I'm just gonna chop your head off. Yo, you're so strong, bro. Bro! Yeah, you guys don't know, but like my hand is way in front of him right now. Look, yeah, see my hand over here. But he's so strong. That's it. You're not gonna be strong anymore. What? The heck just happened? Bro, man just fell through the ground, bro. What the heck? Where did you go? Maybe I can dig with my katana. Alright, I'm gonna grab it right there. That's what you get, bro. Bro, I have this hook. That's what you get for bullying me in high school. You know who you are, Matthew. Feel that, Bill? Ugh. Someone just burped. All these kids will kill me. I try hard. They're still the ones
I'll suck that nigga. I'll suck that nigga. I'll suck that.
And then
I'll suck that nigga. I'll suck that what?
That's an extra lash. Takes the belt and just starts like smacking them. That's all they are in life. They don't know. So annoying. And they do. I've killed this one guy like 5 times. I want to get back. Oh, yeah. Oh! Oh!
That hurt a lot.
Oh!
Thank you. Oh, thank you. Hey, guys, would you like to know how to do this? Do you know how to do this?
Burning. This doesn't work. The jetpack doesn't work. The jetpack is trash. It doesn't work. It doesn't. Flamethrower.
You need to hold it. Hold the up. Oh.
Jetpack trails. Let's try.
Right the couch.
Paper.
Here.
Back. Let's test it. I'm scared you to go up. It doesn't work.
I knew it didn't do the dash, but I just want to see what it actually did.
Hey. Minnie Mouse.
Oh, so
What's up, man?
creamy. It's so deliciously creamy.
What the fuck? What the fuck? Oh, you got
Hey. Hey. Come on. Don't say that, man. This is why you're a very bad human being. Bad human being. Don't say that. That's a bad word. Don't say that. You're a bad human being. What a lame dude. Such a bad person. He's so stupid. Yeah, you heard me. Your mom left you. Okay? Don't say that. Don't say that. Your mom will actually come back.
How hasn't he learned?
No. No, say that. No.
Yeah,
you're safe.
I did that.
Bro, what?
I beat that down.
I think I'm down. That means, yo. What is that? I'm wait. Alex. Alex is epically epic. Bro, I want that lizard, dude. What do you got? Anyways,
Season
that's
3
gonna be the
coming
end of the
July
video for
4th.
now.
New maps, new weapons, and new skins.
Bro, I'm bursting that. Bro, be quiet, bro. I'm trying to do my outro. Anyways, that's gonna be the end of the video. If you did enjoy, hit that subscribe button and that like button so that you know life. If you don't hit that subscribe button, that will make me very sad. And remember, if you hit that subscribe button, I will open my secret cabinet in my room once I hit 100 subscribers. So, yeah. Anyways, see ya.